everybody, today I'll be showing you how to make a baby Lovey blanket with tags. This will make the perfect baby shower gift or baby gift. We're going to get started by cutting 20 pieces of ribbon that are 4 inches long by 1 inch wide or less. You can make your own out of fabric if you choose to. Then you're going to need 2 pieces of fabric, whatever fabric you choose, that are 17 inches by 17 inches. We're going to make a mark every 3 inches all the way around. You can use a washable pen, pencil, whatever you have on hand. Then we're going to fold our ribbon in half and pin it on our marks just like this. We're going to base stitch them down just to hold them in place, so don't worry about back stitching, just run your thread right over them so that it stays in place. If you have chunkier ribbon like me right here, I'm just going to trim that down a little bit, but if you don't, then you don't have to worry about it. Put your other piece of fabric right sides touching, and we're going to pin and sew all the way around, leaving an opening to turn right side out. Once that's done, we're going to clip our corners, turn it right side out, really making sure that we get all the ribbon and corners out. Pin the bottom closed, and we're going to top stitch all the way around. Now our baby Lovey is complete, and you can roll it up and put it with a ribbon for a gift and make many more because it's so extremely easy to make. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.